How to fix Instagram CSRF token missing. Hello guys, so all what you want to do to fix this problem is actually so easy. First thing, you have to open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager like this, open the apps, and now on this page you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. After that, you have to scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. Now this is the app information page. All what you want to do is click on notifications, make sure that all the notifications are enabled. Click on permissions then, and then make sure also all the permissions are enabled. Go back, click on the data users, and make sure also to disable all those options and enable them again like this. Now click on this force stop option to stop running the app, and now you have to do the last thing, which is you need to make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram. If you don't have it, then you have to update it easily right here on the Play Store or the App Store. Don't forget to like, subscribe.